Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can add custom CSS to your WordPress website. So right now I am on my website dashboard. I am going to my all post section. After that, I am going to open this post. So this is the post. I want to add a border with custom CSS of this paragraph. For this, firstly, I have to give a class name for this paragraph. So when I am selecting this paragraph, then right side you have to come to this option and here you must select this block. After selecting the block, then you have to click on this advanced option. So I already selected block. After that I am clicking on advanced and now I want to give a class name here. So class name is post uploader underscore border. So this is my class name and save. So click on view post. So here I want to add a border and already I gave a class name for this paragraph. After that you have to go this section. Here you will get a option for customize, but you have to be admin of that website. If you are not admin, then you will not get this option. So make sure you are the admin of that website where you want to add custom CSS. I am opening it in a new tab, and when I am here you will get few options, and here one option is additional CSS. So I will use this option to add custom CSS. I am coming to additional CSS and I already gave a class name for that paragraph. So I am going to copy that class name. Firstly, give a dot. When you are going to add a class for the CSS, you must have to add a dot. After that, paste your class name. Then give a second bracket and closing second bracket. Inside, you can add your custom CSS. As I want to add a border, so I am writing border. After that, colon 2 pixel solid. After that I can give a color, for example this color border. So already I added border with custom CSS and this border is very close to the text, so I am going to add a padding. So you see, this is the way to add custom CSS for your WordPress website. By following this tutorial, you can easily add custom CSS. So today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.